Welcome all students of TYBC class. Today we are going to see the second chapter of computational physics, that is C programming. First of all, we have to see about the history. This C programming language was initially developed by Denis Ritchie in 1978 at the Bell Telephonic Laboratories in USA. After then, the C language was varied and modified until a standard was defined by Brian Kernighan and Denis Ritchie in 1978, and after then they published a book, The C Programming Language. After the publication of this book, many personal, commercial industries are impressed by observing the brilliant future of C language, and by the mid of 1980s, many commercial software products which was written in other language was rewritten in C language. C language has recently standardized. C language was recently standardized by ANSI, that is American National Standard Institute, in 1983. The resulting definition, the ANSI C, was completed in 1988. I think this history is quite sufficient for us. Then we have to see the importance of C programming language. C programming language is a general purpose and structured language. Also, over the year, C has become one of the most widely used development programming language in software industry. Okay. Set of instruction in C language is nothing but the words are in the instruction of C language are general words of English. For example, if, else, while, do, for, break, continue, etc. All these words are English words, and these words are general words used in the instruction of C programming language. This C language is similar to other higher level language. Before C language, there is a Fortran language, Fortran. This is the abbreviation of formula translation. Other language, higher level language is Pascal. This language was used by a mathematician and physicist in order to develop a program. And C language is similar to higher level language. These are higher level language like Fortran and Pascal. C language is middle level language which bridges the machine level language, that is 0 and 1, and higher level language. Okay. Then C language supports data types, and operation on data types is much the same way as that of in higher level language. Then C languages have a very good portability. Very good portability. That means this language can be accessed to any operating system, any generation of computer. Similarly, C compiler are available almost on the operating system and hardware platform. What I say, C language compiler are available for almost all operating system and hardware platforms. Important characteristics of C language is that C language is very concise. And last but not least, C language is computable language. That is, it is not restricted. This language is not restricted for a particular generation of computer. Okay. Then we have to see the structure of C programming. What is structure of C programming? You know, for example, structure of letter or structure of application. In what manner we write the application, or in what manner we write the letter. There is a specific structure. Just like that, C programming have a specific structure. Every C programming consists of one or more than one functions. And remember that one of the function must be main function. C programming language begins with main function. This is the very important point. C language is always begins with main function, which may access the other functions. Okay. Any other functions can be defined separately, and each of the function must contain a function heading. A function heading following by a function name, and function name following by a list of optional arguments. Okay. Then second, a list of arguments should be declared. Then last, C programming consists of compound statements, and compound statements are written separately, and every compound statements are enclosed in a pair of brasa, that is curly bracket, opening curly bracket and closing curly bracket. These brackets are called brasas. After then, comments. Comments is very important. This comment is placed within the delimiters. Delimiters means forward slash, asterisk, your comment, again asterisk, and forward slash. This is called delimiters. And any comment are placed in between these two delimiters. Okay. Comments can be placed anywhere within the program, and comment is helpful for identifying the logic of various programming features. Comments in the program are also useful in explaining the logic of various programming. Okay. Then next to the comment, we begin with has include stdio.h. After next to comment we begins with has include stdio.h. Now we have to see, this is here, this has include is called preprocessor. Preprocessor. What is the work of preprocessor? Work of preprocessor is that include the required file on the current path of this program, or put the required files from the library of C, bring from that library and kept at the beginning of the program. This helpful to the compiler that how much of the requirement necessary is fulfilled in the required file. Okay. For example, has include stdio.h. In this statement or in this syntax, this is the preprocessor, and this is the file Which file? File regarding to the information of input and output. Hence, the name of the file is abbreviation STD. I would add standard input output, and h.h is the extension, which means that this file is header. And what this syntax do? This syntax or this instruction bring this file from the library of C and put at the beginning of the program, so that compiler knows that what type of instructions are required that are included in this standard file. Okay. Then the processor, we can say that the processor is a collection of special statements called directives, and that are executed at the beginning of the compilation process. Then the statement calls a function called. Here we should know what type of preprocessors are there. See here, has include is the popular processor, preprocessor. Second one, has define. This preprocessor is useful for the problems in physics and mathematics. For example, define the value of constant pi, which is 3.1442. Pi is the constant which is used in mathematics and physics in order to solve the problems. And by using this processor bring the value of this constant along with its value from the library of C and put it at the beginning of the program. Next preprocessor has if, another preprocessor has if else, or has else, has and if, has if, diffi. These are the examples of preprocessors. Now we are going to see the C program, structure of C program. See here, suppose we are going to learn the C program and we are the beginner. Then we have to display the message, hello, hello, this is my first program in C. What I say? Suppose we are the beginner and we are going to learn a program in C and we want to display this message on the screen, and for this purpose we have to write the program. What is the message? Hello, this is my first program in C. Okay. See here, program. How program can be written? First, first line of the program. This is the comment which is helpful us what type of program or what is the name of the program or what contents are in the programs are there. My first program in C. This is the comment. This comment helps us to identify the content of the program. Second line, has include stdio.h. Remember that all the characters are in lowercase and there is no space between has sign, include word and header file. These are the continuous. Okay. Third line, main function. Main. This is always written in lowercase. Okay. Then opening brasa, curly bracket. Then this is the fourth line, fifth line, CLRSCR. CLRSCR. This is the abbreviation, clear screen. Just like suppose here the matter and we are going to start a new matter, we are going to clean the board. And in computer, previous matter should be erased. For new coming matter, for that purpose, we have to clear the screen. Hence, there is a syntax or there is instruction or there is a statement CLR, SCR, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, enter semicolon. Here, note, before going to further instruction, remember that this is the full stop of the sentence or instruction in C. In Marathi, there is a full stop. In English, the full stop is like this. In Hindi, the full stop is like this. In Sanskrit, the full stop is like this. And in C, the full stop is like this. Why? Because in C programming, when we like a single dot, it is called period. Okay. Then next instruction, line number 6, printf. This is the keyword, abbreviation, print file. And this is the string, has hello. This is my first program in C. The new line operator and termination. Semicolon, this is called termination. Then 7, get ch, and line 8, close brasa. In this way, program is written in the C. Here, first line gives us the information regarding to program. This is called comment, and this comment is written in delimiters, /**, /**. These are called delimiters, and contents are comments are written in between these delimiters. Okay, this is the preprocessor. What is the work of this preprocessor? To bring the standard input output header file, which is placed in the C library, bring that file and place at the beginning of the program. Then this is the main function of the program. I already told that every C programming consists of one or more than one functions, but one of the functions must be main, and C program is always beginning with main function, and this is the body of main function. In Marathi, maina. Jasa patracha maina asto, just like that, this is the body of the main function. In this body and this body, these are, here we can write a single statement or more statements, and these statements are maybe simple statements, maybe compound statements, but within the body, that is, body is nothing but all the statements are written in the pair of brasa, opening brasa and closing brasa. Starting of this body starting from here and the body end here. Sorry, this is the closing brasa. This is opening brasa and this is closing brasa. And in between these two brasa, whatever it may be, that is the body of this main function. Okay. Then on line 5 gives the instruction to the computer that after the execution of the program, the screen of the program before whatever it may be written on that screen, that should be clear, and this is done by using the syntax or this instruction. Then this is the statement of C program. In this program, this is only one statement in the program, and this statement is called function call, and this statement calls the function, that is instruction, give the instruction to the computer that hello, write this message, display this message on the screen, hello, this is my first. And this is the one more statement, C programming statement, get ch. This is the keyword. Meaning of this getting character on the screen until the next key is hitting. जोपर्यंत आपण प्रोग्राम रन झाल्यानंतर जे आउटपुट येईल, जोपर्यंत कीबोर्डवरची कुठलीही की आपण प्रेस करत नाही तोपर्यंत प्रोग्रामचं आउटपुट हे आपल्याला स्क्रीनवरच ठेवण्यासाठी हा सिंटॅक्स instruction to control. Okay, now we are going to see the example of C program. Suppose we want to write a program for area of the circle, then comment program for area of circle. This is nothing but a comment, or this comment helps us what is the content inside the program, or of what purpose is the program. This is the comment. Then has include stdio.h. This is the title of the program, or this is the comment of the program. This is the preprocessor, and this preprocessor brings the file in which information regarding input and output of the computer is kept in that file, and this processor bring that file from the C of library and put at the beginning or place at the beginning of the program. Then main function. Okay, then when program is run, before running, when compilation of the program starts, this main function tells the compiler that your program starts from this point. Okay, then main float radius area termination, then CLR SCR termination, then printf enter the value of radius, new line, then scanf percentage f ampersand radius, terminate, then area is equal to 3.4142 4115 4142 into radius termination, print area of the circle is equal to percentage f comma area then get ch and close the body. This is the program. How this program runs? Before that, we should know the general logic to determine the area of the circle. When we are going to determine the area of the circle, we should know the radius of the circle. If suppose radius is 3 centimeter or 3 unit, then what we are going to do, or what we are doing, we should know the formula to determine the radius of the circle. That formula is nothing but area is equal to pi r square. that is 3.14 into R into R. Then 3.14 into 3 into 3, and this is nothing but 28 point something something, or 28.274309. This is the, suppose this is centimeter, then centimeter square. This, in this way we calculate the area of the circle in mathematics or physics, the circle whose radius is 3 centimeter. And for this purpose we are going to write the program. Remember that if we replace the value of radius, then we have to make the calculation again and again. But here, once the program is written in C language, then we have to only provide the value of value of radius through keyboard, and it automatically gives the answer of area of circle. For this purpose, once again, see here, this is the comment of the program, this is the preprocessor, this is the main function, and this is the body of the program. In this, this instruction or this syntax is useful for, or it is used for variable declaration. There are here in this radius is variable because we can vary the value of radius. When value of radius is changed, then area is also changed. Therefore, these are the variables, and in order to declare these variable, this statement is used. Float is a special term. Later on we are going to explain that term. This is the clear screen, and this is the input. That means what we are going to supply the data to the program, that should be written by this file printf value of radius. Through this instruction, computer read the value of radius which is supplied by us through keyboard. Then this is the scanf. That means when we supply the data to the computer, computer should have to read it, and computer read the data through this instruction. And this is the assignment statement, that is put the values in this formula and do the calculation. After calculation, the result should be displayed on the screen, and that is done by this instruction printf area of the circle is equal to percentage of and area. This is the variable, and here this variable is prior to this instruction, and this variable include the value of result, or the value of area is assigned to this variable, and this instruction is going to print the value of the result which is assigned to the area, and hence the name is given here. And after the calculation, after the displaying, that result should be displayed on the screen until the next key is going to press by the user. Okay, and this is the, in this way we can write the program. In the similar way we can write number of programs. Okay, further more programs will be discussed later on. Before that, next to this we want to see the set of characters, set of special symbols, set of logical instruction, and many more are there, and all these will be explained in the next lecture. Thank you very much. Have a good